seem like I'm a little bit blurry. Anyways, today has been a long day. I know this is not who you saw earlier walking the streets of Tulum, pero what's in the stuff don't gotta be explained, okay? You know you could do both. Village girl first, baddie second. But yeah, guys, we just got done getting ready. It's so hot. I don't know if like the AC is not functioning properly, but yeah. We're about to go to Rosa Negra and I'll take you guys with me and I'll introduce you to all the girls that are here. If you guys remember my Jamaica vlog last year, it's basically the same group of girls. A couple of people were added to the group, so it's gonna be energy on 10. It's gonna be lit. But this is Vicky, you know Vicky.
Hi,
you know her. She's basically almost done getting ready. But yeah, let's go ahead and get going. Is it Taboo? Am I saying Taboo? No, not so bad.
Y'all look really, really good. Camera.
Touch.
No, come on, sis. Not the vloggy vlog.
Are you serious?
Virgo queen.
You look good.
Yes, I am.
Period.
Yes, I
know
am.
that's right. We are too.
Together. Love her very much. I'm glad for this new year in her life, and I know she's gonna do amazing and exceed and excel in everything that she does. And I'm very proud of her and everything that she's done so far. And I'm glad she's my big sister.
Cheers to Tulum, cheers to Tochi, cheers to a new life. Yes. Let's turn up.
Birthday girl, where you at? Yeah. Are y'all sleeping back here? Wake up! Are you sleeping?
You're running to me up a little bit.
Purchase your tracks today.
Yo, she guessed it. I looked at her. I'm like, yeah, she said.
Good morning.
Good morning. Oh, girl.
I know you had a time to go live last night.
It was, I had a motherfucking ball.
That voice is gone still.
That was still gone, girl.
And the voice is not coming back anytime soon.
Like this downstairs.
Big, just imagine some bug looking like this.
Yeah.
It's just hiding right there in your staircase. It's blocking you from
Stop.
entry. It's asking for entry fee.
Entry fee.
Stop. Now run away. We're all gathered in the kitchen. We're talking. We're discussing. Something in my eyes said, "Look at the fridge. Look at
Bro.
the fridge." I turned. Me, I just yelled. Something just. What? So Pop, I don't know, because even Pop went to wonder. I guess she was in the bathroom. I think that's an hour. You were in there, Jackie.
Yeah,
you
I
were
was
there.
there.
All ran to safety on the side. So I'm looking at Pom. I was like, okay, no, guys, we're gonna kill. We gotta conquer our fears. So Pom would come here. Come here. Pom is not listening. Oh, look at me. Look at me. So we're paying him. We're doing all those things. And I told the guy, I said, we have a bug issue, and I need you to kill it. Obviously, he cannot understand this. Come on, break. Use that your thing you use it for 3 months. Put it to action.
Exactly.
How the guy? She said, "Oh, so much big." It's like, you know, okay, hey.
No, this is beautiful. Yes, we love it. Thank you.
Cheers to 26!
It's your birthday, you'll find me in the club. Bottle full of bub, mama, I got what you need if you need to feel a buzz.
Cheers to 26!
What's going on? Oh! We got one right here. Look at her.
Hey!
Can we see you a little bit better than that? Yeah. So you guys, I'm super excited for today. We're going on the boat. We got a yacht and it's gonna be lit. It's gonna be vibes. Y'all see the look, y'all see the fit, you see it. This is it, something slight. Well, it's actually not that slight. But y'all know the vibes. You gotta look good when you're in Mexico because you just never know. Like, you never know who you're gonna run into. You never know who you're gonna meet, that. But super excited. I'm gonna go check on the rest of the girls because we need to be downstairs in 10 minutes. So I'm gonna check on that and I'm gonna get everybody shots so we could start, you know, drinking and stuff. But yeah, so far Tulum it's up there. I'm liking it. We'll talk more later. Ooh, look at Miss Victoria. Wow, so this is the fit. You see it from top to bottom. Yes, we're all set and ready to go. Knock, knock, knock. All right, and we got the twins here. You see the fit. You see the outfit.
Hello.
Yes, it's the orange. Oh, mommy. So you see the drip. You see it from head to toe. Don't even got to explain it. Knock, knock.
Ready?
Connect that.
Okay. All right, darling. There you go. Yes, baby.
Is everyone ready for the boat?
Yeah!
Because it's giving sober.
It is giving sober, but it's okay. We're gonna.
Yeah, come on.
Girls, I think I checked the boat. I think I have everything from everybody. Oh my god! But nothing is missing.
No, I got everything.
Everybody has everything. I checked just to make sure no one is missing anything. 10 times, so 10 times. 10 times. Hey, let's go home, please. I love gang, gang, gang. Gang, gang, gang. Yes, ready?
Hey, if y'all not close friends, I'm sorry for you.
Right there. Oh, look, I knew I'd give you a shot. But if you want another one, you can do it. Yeah! Wait. Can y'all like drop it right here? Oh, sorry. Cheers! Cheers! Cheers, darling! Cheers! 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 Yes!
Do you have anything to say to the birthday girl?
Tochi, I love you. You know this. I pray 26 is beautiful for you. You're a beautiful girl. You deserve it. And I love you. I am excited for your 26th year. You have been such a blessing to us in the last 25, and I pray that this one is even more abundant, more joyful, more peaceful, and everything that you want and everything that you desire will come to you. Amen. I love you, Tochi. Don't you cool? Happy birthday, my good sis. I love you, love you, love you, love you, love you. Words cannot describe how much I love you. You're staring at me as I'm doing this right now. But you are a blessing to literally every single person's life that you enter. You are a blessing. So love you, love you, love you. Many more years. Cheers.
Do you have anything to say to me?
Tochi, happy birthday. That's my bitch. So it's like diapers, bro. That's my girl. Happy birthday. More wishes, more blessings, more money, more everything. Everything. We get everything this year. All right, you ready? Hey guys, I'm here. This is Miss OT. Miss OT here in Tulum. For who? For Tochi. I'm here for Tochi for her 26th. I have to say that I love this girl. She is so amazing. She is so selfless. She is so like, she's everything. So for the fact that all of us are here to celebrate her birthday, I love it so much. Tochi, I love you. I'm here for you. I can do anything for you. And Tochi takes Tulum. Tochi takes 26. Period. Period, baby. What do I supposed to say?
Whatever you want.
Okay. What is this for?
Look at it.
It's already recording. Hey sis. Well,
I know this so awkward. It's so awkward.
I want to say happy birthday to my sister, big 26. I love you so much. I love that you're my big sister, and I just hope that you prosper in life the way you envision prospering, and I know you will because God got you. So love you, and we're about to turn up this whole motherfucking weekend.
Here to celebrate.
I want to wish you a happy birthday. Everything that you wish for and everything you desire this year will come through, and you'll be a success in anything you do. Love you, boo.
Just like me, and the fact that we clicked so fucking like this, we clicked so well. What the fuck? It's like literally this girl is literally a lifetime friendship, darling.
Baby, look at this girl. She's not single, I'm sorry, but she a bad mother.
You know what I'm saying?
Speedy on the beat.
Sumba la ja 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 sumba, carry your man over head like a sugar. Here we go. Them girls just they feel me now. I get some money, then they feel me now. But then they do me anyhow. I get some money, they wanna get. Them want I'm gonna reach them high. Them want know where I come from. And they run to some niggas. They see each other, they do it out there. Shake body. Make you ring alarm. Oh yeah, shake body. You better shake body. Wine on the body and I sit down on the bed. Boom boom so tight, some woman down the gate. Phone get a picture, yeah, I got your big quick. Then every day I did it and I catch it on the beat. Me do I drop it, I broke it, I stop it, I go like that. Stuck it that's right. Honey, about to kill you with drink cards. You know the pump up. You wanna team with the big boys. Tell me the wrong, give it the right. Every drink with the drum card. If you bought your own flight, you paid your own Airbnb. You bought your own food, you paid for your everything, baby. Tell these niggas you put yourself in first class. We fuck nigga free. Plenty, survive, baby. Just to mention one day. From the beginning, you say I don't want that. I don't want that. I don't want that. I want enjoy. I want your life. I want my motto. I want good life. I still want the love. Tell me, money. I got stopped by Lady Cop. She got me thinking like a Lady Cop. And it turned out I'm so tight. She really not right. She put me in the car. She cut up all the legs. She said I had the right to remain silent. Fucking like silent. Take my weed.
You're running, turn me up a little bit.
Two stumps. Slide to the left. Slide to the right. Crisscross.
That's a bird. Oh. I'm alive in Jesus' name, but that was
Amen
funny.
in Jesus' name.
That shit is huge. What they be wanting over here? Oh my God. No, this is dangerous.
Did y'all close the door on the way out?
Yeah.
Kill me 5.